Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you done worksheet 1, 2, 3 in your book. Today we do our fourth condition, RHS. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. What is the question number 1? Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC and AD is the altitude from A on BC. AB and AC, because it is an isosceles triangle, so these two sides are equal, and AD is altitude. Altitude means where you got 90-degree angle, and BC divided into two equal parts. Now is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and why? I know 90-degree angle is equal to 90-degree, hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse, and one side AD is common. So my answer is yes by RHS. Now state the three pair of matching part you have used to answer 1. आपने इसको yes क्यों बोला? उसके लिए 3 pairs आपको बताने हैं. Why I said yes? Because I know angle ADB. ADB is equal to angle ADC. Angle ABD is equal to angle ADC. उसके बाद आपने क्या यूज किया है? AB is equal to AC. This is your hypotenuse. And AD is equal to AD. This is your side, which is common between both triangles. So we can say by right angle, hypotenuse and side, these triangles are congruent. Now is it true to say BD is equal to CD? Why? Yes, it is true because आपने प्रूव कर दिया कि दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट हैं, और कॉन्ग्रेंट ट्राइंगल्स के ईच पार्ट, ईच साइड भी क्या होती हैं? इक्वल होती हैं. यस बाय CPCT. I repeat, what is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Clear? Now, what is the question number 2? Some figures are given here, and which pair of triangles are congruent by which condition? RHS. RHS कंडीशन से आपको प्रूव करना है कि कौन सी जो ट्राइंगल हैं वो कॉन्ग्रेंट है, और उनको सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में भी राइट करना है. फर्स्टली आई चेक दिस. लुक एट, देयर इज 90-degree एंगल and one side is equal given to you and the other side is common between both of these. So firstly I write the conditions of this. Angle ADB is equal to angle, yes, BCA, and then AD is equal to BC, and the hypotenuse AB is common. So I can write here triangle ABD. ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Now second part, there is a 90-degree angle. Now triangle ABD. This figure, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. In third part, which two triangles are congruent? ABD is congruent to ACD. ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Now fourth part, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC because 90-degree angle is there, one side is there and hypotenuse is there. Now in fifth, AOB, hypotenuse, side and angle. Triangle AOB OB is congruent to triangle COD. Clear? Now what is the question number 3? QS and RT are altitude in triangle PQR, and he is saying QS and RT are equal. This is given to you equal. Now क्या ये ट्रू होगा? ट्राइंगल QRS is congruent to triangle RQT by RHS. Let's see क्या ये RHS की सभी कंडीशंस क्लियर करती है. 90 degree angle is equal to 90 degree. These two sides are given equal to us, and look at the hypotenuse QR, it is common. So we can say yes, it is true. Next, state the three pairs of corresponding part जो इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रेंट बता रहे हैं. वो पार्ट्स आपको बताने हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट आपने क्या लिया? एंगल T इज इक्वल टू एंगल S. T और S 90 डिग्री का एंगल है. QS इज इक्वल टू RT है, ये आपको गिवन है. एंड QR इज इक्वल टू QR, ये आपका कॉमन है. तो ये थ्री वो पार्ट्स हैं जिसे राइट एंगल, हाइपोटेन्यूज एंड साइड, विच मेक दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स congruent. Now, what is the question number 4? In question number 4, two figures are given, and angle B and angle P both are 90 degree given to you. AB and PR both are equal given to you. They are saying कि आपको एक additional information required होनी चाहिए कि आप बोल सकें कि ABC congruent है RPQ के by RHS. RHS के लिए मुझे राइट एंगल चाहिए विच इज गिवन, साइड चाहिए विच इज ऑल्सो गिवन, एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज चाहिए. नाउ वेयर इज द हाइपोटेन्यूज ऑफ दिस? दिस इज AC. And what is the hypotenuse of this? Opposite side of right angle. Now this is RQ. Additional information is required. AC is equal to RQ. Now what is the question number 5th? In figure it is given to you AC is equal to DB and AB and BC are perpendicular, means 90 degree का एंगल है आपका यहाँ पर. And which statement is true now? ABC congruent होगा DBC के? No, false. Why? ABC congruent होगा DCB के. Clear? Next, ABC is congruent to DCB? Yes, true. Next, ABC congruent होगा BCD के? False. अब आपको थ्री पेयर्स बताने हैं जो आपके आंसर को राइट करेंगे कि दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रेंट. यस, एंगल ABD इज इक्वल टू एंगल DCB because both are 90 degree. Then it is given to you AC is equal to DB. Side hypotenuse is given to you, and BC is equal to BC. This is a common side between both triangles. So by right angle, hypotenuse and side we can say these two triangles are congruent. Now which side is equal to AB? AB की इक्वालिटी कौन सी साइड से होगी? Yes, this is DC. Why? By CPCD. So do worksheet 4 in your book with pencil. If any query, then ask me. Thank you.